I would like to invite Sonam. Sonam.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm also fine. Thank you. I'm Sonamor. The meaning of my name is gold, that is Sona, and auspicious, that is Sukh. I'm 21. I have completed my schooling from BMD Skandi High Secondary Girls School. It The school is initially started as a boys' school in 1938, but the importance of girls' education, it converted into a girls' school in 1942. At present, I am doing BTech 7th semester from Sri Ram Institute of Technology. And I'm pursuing speaking English with Jhasar and learning programming languages. My hobbies are painting, mandala art painting, meditation. Meditation is the most things are my favorite color are sky blue and pink. Sky blue is symbol of Sky blue is a symbol of loyalty, cleanness, and helpfulness. And pink color is a symbol of good health, helpfulness, good good nature. And my favorite actor is Salman Khan. The name of This is the name will Bollywood never forgive. My favorite place is Golden Temple in Amritsar. My favorite meal is litti chokha. Litti chokha is famous in UP and Bihar. Let's talk about my family. First of all, my Dadaji. My Dadaji's name is Mr. Shyamraj Maur. He is 82. He is a farmer. He is at this age. He can do hard work. He always says that learning has no limit. He teach us morals. My Dadiji and second my Dadiji's name is Mrs. Revti Maur. She is 75. She is a homemaker. She is she is a religious woman. She is she tells us many stories in my childhood. She tell me the story of Arjun, the story of Shravan Kumar, the story of Abhimanyu, etc. My Dadaji and Dadiji tell us their childhood and young age story. My father's name is Mr. Nirvain Maur. He is a businessman. He is a businessman. He is 50. He is he loves to make a meal for us in his free time. He Sometimes he strict with us, but he is very caring. She says that believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself. And my mother's name is Mrs. Samlamar. She is a homemaker. She is 48. She is sleep late night, but walks up early in the morning. She make meals for us. She is very lovely and caring. Um, I have two elder brothers and two younger sisters and one younger brother. My eldest brother's name is Mr. Ramesh Moore. He is 32. He is an electrical engineer in Tata Motors. He is very polite in nature. He is married. He is married in UP. My bhabhi's name is Mrs. Sushma Moore. She is a homemaker. She loves make dress, designer suits. She is very lovely, caring. And my brother has two sons. Elder son's name is Subhamar. He is 13. He is studying in 10th class. He is studying in 10th class. He is very talk active and jolly nature. He loves to wandering with friends. And younger son's name is Samar. He is 7 years old. He is studying in third class. He loves video games. My second elder brother's name is Mr. Suresh Moore. He is a professor in BHU, Banaras Hindu University. Banaras Hindu University is the top university in India. He is a research scholar. He is married in Surat. My bhabiji's name is Mrs. Pooja. I cannot live. I am not living her with long time, so I can't tell about her. My younger sister name is Sonali Moore. She is doing BCom second year. She is making mehndi drawing. My second younger sister's name is Neelam Moore. She is studying in 12th class. She is very intelligent, very loyal. My younger brother's name is Jain Moore. He is doing BTech in computer science. She is very intelligent. She loves programming. She loves learning programming languages. Lastly, I end my speech with these lines. Success all depends on the second letter, that is U. You can write your destiny with your wisdom. Thank you.
Next, I would like to invite Priyansh Tiwari. अपनी चेयर पे थोड़ा सा आगे जाने।
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
I'm also fine. First of all, I want to thank Sir to giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of you all. Thank you, Sir. My name is Priyansh Tiwari and I am 21. I had completed my schooling from a small under senior secondary school. In a school, most of the teachers as well as my friends don't recognize my name, that my name is Priyansh Tiwari, because everyone call me Tiwari in a school. And right now I am doing BCom third year from Nachiketa College. And beside I am pursuing Jhasar spoken English classes and Tally from Accounting World. And my sun sign is Sagittarius. I would like to tell more about myself, that some are my favorite things. My favorite color is black and white. My black color is my favorite, but white is why my favorite, because white is the symbol of simplicity and calmness. And my dream bike or my favorite bike that I want to buy with my own, that Royal Enfield standard model. And there is no favorite car that right now I like car is MG Hector because of their service and interior. That's why I like MG Hector. Next, I want to tell about my family. I live in a joint family. There are 13 members in my family. First of all, I want to start with my grandfather, my Dadaji. My Dadaji's name is Mr. P.S. Tiwari, that full form is Prem Sankar Tiwari. He is from Gadarwara and he is completing his schooling from Gadarwara and higher education from Jabalpur, Jabalpur. He is working as a mail driver in railway. He is retired, working as a mail driver in railway. He gives so much knowledge and so much knowledge about life, behavior, how to behave with elders, how to behave with knowledgeable people, and always listen everyone, and then say what you want to say. This is what my grandfather says to me every day. Secondly, my grandmother, mm, late Mrs. Urmila P.S. Tiwari. She is my grandmother. My grandmother passed away in 2018. She, she is an homemaker. So, then my Bade Papa name is Mr. Sudhir Kumar Tiwari. He is a manager in Gyan school, and he is so calm nature and he not talk that much to everyone. And my badi mummy, she is a government teacher in Peparia. They have two children. First, my brother name is Mr. Prasant Tiwari. He is so intelligent so intelligent. And secondly, my sister name is Astha Tiwari. Right now she is pursuing ninth class in Peparia. Then my father's name is Mr. Suren Kumar Tiwari. He is a government employee in Government Girls College, Ranchi. He is not that much talkative to everyone. He simply sit and listen everyone and tell what to do, what not to do at final stage. He never interfere in middle of the talk. Secondly, my mother's name is Mrs. Geeta Suren Kumar Tiwari. She is an homemaker. She is an homemaker. And my elder sister name is Miss Priyanka Tiwari. She is completing her education from Small Under Senior Secondary School. and higher education in BCom and B.Ed. BCom and B.Ed. Then I want to tell you about my Chacha ji and Chachi. My Chacha ji's name is Mr. Sajan Kumar Tiwari. He is an machinist. He is an machinist in Nai Duniya paper press, and he is the most interesting person in our family and very friendly to us. My chachi's name is Mrs. Sekha Salen Kumar Tiwari. She is a teacher. She teaches first to fifth class in Malpani school, and she is good in nature. And my younger brother name is Mr. Pranay Tiwari. Right now he is doing BCom first year, and beside he is pursuing Jhasa classes and CPCT course, that is typing course for the government job in Tehsil Tehsil office, in collectorate or in high court. Thank you.
Thank you. इसमें तो नहीं बता सकते, हमने टाइम भी नहीं देखा, रिकॉर्डिंग में पता चला। Okay guys, next I would like to invite Swati Jaiswal.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am also fine, thank you. Thank you for giving me this great opportunity to introduce myself. I am Swati Jaiswal. I am 21. Basically, I am from Punjab, but currently I am studying in Jabalpur. I am doing BTech from Ceylon Institute of Technology in Jabalpur. And also I am pursuing English classes with Shazan. I had completed my schooling from Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Cherital, Jabalpur. I like crafting, painting, dancing, surfing, and let's talk about my family. I live in joint family. First, my grandfather. My grandfather's name is late Mr. Triveni Prasad Jaiswal. He was farmer. He is very loving. He was very loving and caring. Second, my grandmother. Her name is late Mrs. Setwa Jaiswal, and she is a homemaker. They have 7 children. First, my body papa. His name is Mr. Hiradal Jaiswal. He is 41. Sorry, he is 61. And he is a government employee. And his wife's name is Mrs. I don't know. They have 3 kids. They have 3 children. First, my sister. Her name is Mrs. Sunita Jaiswal, and she got married with pata nahi. They have 2 kids, Channu and Mannu. Second, my brother, Mr. Chotu Jaiswal. He is an army man, and her wife's name is pata nahi. They have 2 kids, Deepika and Anshu. Deepika is studying class 7, and Ansu is studying class 4. Third, my sister, Mrs. Sangeeta Jaiswal, and she got married with unknown person. They have two kids. Second, my bade papa. His name is Mr. Zayaraj Jaiswal. He is a farmer. He is a farmer, and her wife name is Mrs. Girjavati Jaiswal. They have four kids. First, my sister, Mrs. Madhu Jaiswal, and she got married with Tinkle Jaiswal. They have four kids. First, Neha Jaiswal. Presently, she is studying BSc Nursing from Global College. And second Rekha Jaiswal. She is doing class 11. Third, Priyanshi Jaiswal. She is studying class 7. And fourth, Prince Jaiswal. He is studying class 4. Third, my daddy papa. His name is Mr. His name is Mr. Justice, and he is a farmer, and her wife name is Mrs. Sunita Jaiswal. They have four children. First, my sister, she got married with unknown person. They have four kids. They have two kids. First, Abhi Jaiswal, he is studying class 8, and second Parul Jaiswal. She is studying LKG. And second, my brother, Mr. Tinkle Jaiswal. He is a businessman, and her wife name is Divya Jaiswal. They have two kids. First, Deepika, and second, Sejal. Fourth, my bade papa, Mr. Sukla Jaiswal. He is a farmer, and her wife name is Mrs. Alpna Jaiswal. They have four kids. First, my sister, Mrs. Sapna Jaiswal, and she got married with Vijay Jaiswal, Mr. Vijay Jaiswal, in 2020. They have one kid. Fifth, my father. My father name is Mr. Nandalal Jaiswal, and he is a businessman. He is 41. He is 45 years old. He is very loving and caring and protect me. He teach me manners in front of other person. He is my role model and my hero. Second, my mother, Mrs. Gulabkali Jaiswal, and she is a homemaker. I have a six sister and one brother. First one, my Didi. My Didi's name is Mrs. Shalini Jaiswal, and her husband name is Abhi Jaiswal. She got married. She got married in 2020. She is very loving and caring and always protect me. She teach me every step in my. Second, my sister, Shivani Jaiswal. She is completed her schooling from Government Girls High Secondary School, Cherital, and at present She is doing job in Aditya Hospital. Like my sister, Selva Desal, and she is 19. She is studying BSc nursing from Global College. She is always fight to me and always mm, took to my sister Aisha Jaiswal. She is 14 years old. She is studying class 10. She is very intelligent in study. And middle one is my sister. Her name is Mansi Russell. She is studying class 8. She is also very intelligent. And last one, my brother. His name is Swapnil Desal. He is studying class 5th. My hobbies are reading novel and playing badminton, crafting, etc. My strength is teamwork and adaptive nature. My weakness is introvert. Thank you.
Next, I would like to invite Animesh. Animesh Jain.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm also fine. Thank you. Nice to meet you all. This is Animesh Jain. I'm 18 and my zodiac sign is Leo. I completed my schooling from DPS Aligarh. First, I had studied in St. Aloysius Sadar from LKG to 7. Then I had gone to DPS Aligarh from 8th to 12th. I am currently doing BCom honors first semester from St. Aloysius College, Pantinaga, Sadar. In addition to this, I am preparing for CAT exam and plus I am taking Jhasar English coaching classes for preparing English mainly for build up confidence. And in addition to this, I had learned abacus also. So this abacus was useful in accounts mainly to solve big problems because in CBSE no calculator is allowed in board exams. So for this I had taken the abacus course. My hobbies are drawing and watching movies, especially anime, and going traveling, talking with friends, and many more are there. I am not very talkative, but if someone gives opportunity, then I will talk more. And I am a little bit shy also. In my school, I was not that crazy person, but I was only sitting with my friends and talking. Now I will tell about my family. Usually people have one family. I have two family. The concept of two family I will discuss it later. My first family, having five members including me. My I will talk about my grandfather. Unfortunately, he is no more. His name was Sumer Chand Jain. Um, he was very kind, caring person, and he always bring me chocolates. When I was young, he only used to drop me and pick me from my nursery school. Um, with his cycle, for me he put a seat in his cycles, a small seat for me, so he can drop me and pick me from the nursery school. Now I will tell you about my grandmother. She is a very kind and caring also, and one beautiful woman. Her name is Susila Jain, and he's around 70 or 71 age. I don't know exactly. He loves to cook meal. He We have 24 hours in a day, but he spend mostly time in kitchen only because he's fond of cooking. Actually, everyone sorry expect excluding me and my father, everyone is good cooker. Sorry, everyone is good chef. Um, she used to knit a sweater for me when I was young, and he always asked me. She always asked me whether I am feeling hungry because mostly she used to in the kitchen. Therefore, she only asked me whether I am feeling hungry. She only gave me food when I was hungry. Then my Bua's turns come, and her name is Sangeeta Jain. She is a government employee. She works in collectorate. She is my best friend, and she loves watching videos in YouTube of making new type of meal. But she end up in making in evening only lauki ki sabji and gilki ki sabji. But I love it because in that it is good. Because she's my best friend, I like to share everything with her. Actually, we enjoy ourselves by playing cards and playing carom, and but because she's my best friend. Um, we enjoy watching movies, but first I watch movie, then we together watch movie because to confirm that if uh, a bad thing is not there, special ops we watch each other. First I watch and then both we watch. Now my father comes. My father's name is Mr. Sandeep Jain. He's a businessman. Now he's the Karta of his house. Karta means head of the house, who take care of the house. He owns a toy shop naming Anuj Gift Gallery in front of Sarda Talkage, Gorakhpur. He is very fond of yoga that I hate the most. Uh, um, he is very tall. I am short but compared to him, but he is very encouraging. He always promote to be do work like him because he's a kind of all rounder in his house. He knows mechanic work, he knows electrician's work, plumber work, everything he knows. So I want to become like he is my greatest inspiration. Now my mom's turn come. My mother's name is Mrs. Shweta Jain. He's a homemaker. He loves to make rangoli, sada, used to make, and drawing also, painting also. She is a master in painting and drawing. Um, she is a caring woman and a lovely and beautiful woman. She only teaches me when I was young. I will like to share my incident for this. When I was in LKG, uh, friends were making first time I saw that paper plane used to make. So they were making paper plane. I loved it that paper plane is just flying. So I go to tear the page and all night mother asked to bring the grammar book. Now grammar book only cover pages left. So I given the grammar book, but I was shivering that yeah. So that time I was got scolded first time very loudly. Now, apart from this, my chacha is also there, but he lives in Bangalore. But he's married and with having a one daughter. My chacha's name is Mr. Seetal Jain. He is a software engineer in Bangalore. He always tells me to study hard and go for see the future. And my goal, especially for seeing after seeing that, my goal is to become finance manager. So he explained me you can do CAT and MBA for finance manager. Same goes to my Chachi. She is also like that, always provoking me to study. Her name is Seema Jain. He is also a good cooker, chefs. And my daughter, and his daughter Sanvi Jain. Her name is Sanvi Jain. He is in currently in class 9, and he is he sorry she is a good speaker, and because from the beginning she used to read many English novels, so she is a good speaker and I want to be with like her so I can speak in English fluently. Now I have said that I have two families. Now I will come to that. Actually I have said that I studied my high school's uh, study from DPS Aligarh. So beside DPS Aligarh, there is an organization named Tirtham Mangalayakan. This institution provides Jain education for those who want to study Jain religion. So from different parts of country, students come and they study there. So I have made friends there, and the friends were not like friends; they are like my brothers because it is a boys' hostel, not we call hostel. It is a boys. So uh, they always took my side because they are my brothers, and they always uh, stood there for me in the time of happiness and sadness also. We are all share secrets. We all share secrets with each other and play every the meal from their rooms comes, so we share together. That's why it is a family. Because have you seen Chichore movie? In Chichore movie, the scene is there that Shraddha Kapoor asked the Sushant Singh Rajput that why you are not leaving the H4 because you want to go to H3. Then Sushant Singh Rajput said to her that it is a bond that created, and because they also stand for happiness and sadness, they also enjoy every time. So what do you call it? Then Shraddha Kapoor said that it is a family. That's why I've given this my second family. Thank you.
Next, I would like to invite Priyanka. Priyanka.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm also fine, thank you. Firstly, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself in front of all. Let's introduce myself. I'm Priyanka. I'm 24. I have from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. I have completed my schooling from Small Wonder Senior Secondary School. I have completed my BCom graduation from Mata Gujri College. I have completed my PGDCA from KK Institute, and also I have completed my B.Ed from Lakshmi Bai Sahuji College. My sunshine is Vigro Virgo. Uh, uh, I like listening to music, dancing, traveling, and exploring things. Let's talk about my future goals. I have become a teacher to give and open a school to free school to give education to those people who to those no, to those people who are not able to give fees or any other facilities to high class schools. That's why I open for those people. for the school. Let's talk about my achievement. My achievement is I am a captain of a basketball team and I have played many school teams with district level. Let's talk about my computer learning. I'm good in MS Excel like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, and also I'm learning typing and Hindi. Let's talk about my family. I live in joint family. First head of the family is my grandfather, and his name is Mr. Prem Shankar Tiwari. He is very sweet, loving, and caring. He always protect me. He always fulfill my demands, whether it's right or wrong. He is a retired government male driver. Second, home minister of the family. And her name is late Mrs. Urmila Tiwari. She is very sweet, cute, and loving. She is very beautiful and adorable. She is always protecting me. She always protect from my mother to scold on me. Third, my bade papa and his name is Mr. Surendra Kumar Tiwari. Sudhir Kumar Tiwari. He is a private employee. He is also sweet, loving, caring. Fourth, my badi mummy, and her name is Beena Tiwari. She is a government employee. She is also loving, caring, and supporting. Fifth, my father, Mr. Suren Kumar Tiwari. He is a government employee. He is 54. He is very loving, caring, and supporting. He is many times he was strict. Se- Sixth, my mother, Mrs. Geeta Tiwari. He is very sweet, loving, caring. She, she is very cute. She is very cute and beautiful. She always supported me from. She always protects from my brother. She is always be on my side. She is very good chef. She always fulfill my every eating demand which I demand for her. Seventh, my chacha, and his name is Mr. Seventh Kumar Tiwari. He is a private employee. He is very sweet and loving. He is enjoy with me and playing with me. He always in a mood of musty, joyful, and enjoyment. Eighth, my chachi. My chachi's name is my chachi's and her name is Shikha Tiwari. He is a private school. He is a teacher in a private school and also a homemaker. He is also make a good. He also make a good foods for me. He always supported me. He always gave protection to my brothers. My favorite, no, last, uh, my eldest brother is, his name is Prashant Tiwari. He is completed her graduation. He live in Piparia. I and my younger brother, second my younger brother, Priyansh Tiwari. He is pursuing BCom third year. He is very naughty. Third, my younger brother Pranay Tiwari. He is pursuing ITI. He is also very naughty. He always pareshan. Uh, Third, my younger sister Astha Tiwari. He is pursuing ninth. He always to be my side. He always cute and fun, making funny faces. Thank you.
दोस्तों 8:26 तो है। एक स्पीच और करवा लें कि आपको
सर मनीष की करवा लीजिए ना, उसको जाने दीजिए।
Next, I would like to invite Manish.
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm in pink. Sunshine is welcome things. It being lot of brightness. I am mindful Manish. You also know.
Yes, of course.
I'm from Jabalpur, the city of rock, white rock. Sorry. I'm sweet 18. I'm pursuing class 11 from Stanfield International School. I want to be a zoologist. That's why I'm taking a bio in 11th class. I have only one friend. His name is Cuckoo. She is a bird. She's a bird. Not only not human cannot be, only human cannot be a friend. Also animals. My favorite bike are Kawasaki Xenos and BMW G310R. And my favorite flower is tulip. My favorite car is Mercedes Benz G Class. At last but not least, my favorite colors are baby pink and Persian blue. I like podcast, sketching, doodle art making, motor blogging, collecting pebbles, calligraphy, let's talk about my families. Seven member in my family. First, my grandfather. My grandfather's name is Shankar Ram. He is no more. He was principal in government school. Name is Sunflower or Nilgir. I don't have an idea perfect name. And He was he was caring, loving, and fulfilled my needs. Yeah, his hobbies are reading books, teaching students, teaching and reading books. Second, my grandmother. My grandmother's name is Kalavati Devi. He is a homemaker. She 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 is a good uh, classical dancer. And third, my father. My father's name is Vinod Kumar Gautam. He is a government employee. My father's name is Vinod Kumar Gautam. He is a government employee in vehicle factory Jabalpur. He is a caring, fun-loving, and fulfill my needs. And he like playing volleyball, watching TV. Fourth, my mother. My mother's name is Shashila Devi. She is a homemaker. She is good in cooking. Fourth, my sister. My sister's name is Anjali Kushwaha. Anjali Kushwaha. He likes traveling, different types of sari, wearing saris. And seventh, my brother. My brother's name is Mangesh Kumar Gautam. He is pursuing in DU. It's a Delhi University. There.
सबसे ज्यादा इन्फेक्शन सेंटर्स कम्युनिटी की है दोस्तों rest of guys will deliver speech tomorrow यहाँ हम आज के स्पीचेस को विराम देते हैं किसी को कुछ पूछना हो तो कुछ बताना हो एक्चुअली तुम लोग